Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to join a division in World of Warships. Divisions are like a party in World of Warships. And what you have to do first is make sure you're in the port and not currently in a battle. Next is open your friends list on the left side of the screen, which is right here. And here on contacts, if you have friends, which I don't, if you can right click their name and select join a division. If they invited you instead, you'll see a notification pop up. Just click accept and you'll join their division instantly. Once you're in, you'll see your ship appear next to your teammates' ships in port. That means you're officially in a division. Next is through the channels. Scroll down and find the search clan for a clan or division. Double click on that and it will show up the chat window right here. Here you can look for divisions, as well as clans. The next method is also through up here, next to the battle button. Click on divisions, and then here you can also invite players or join players who are in a division. Important reminders: divisions can only have up to 3 players. Everyone should use ships of the same tier, a tier below or a tier higher, and then try to choose ships that work well together. When everyone is ready, the division leader clicks battle and you'll enter the match together. And that's it. That is how to join a division in World of Warships.